Today I'm showing you how to make prosecco gummy bears. I'm going to use regular prosecco and then this pink prosecco so that I'll have two different color gummy bears, but regardless of color, whether it's champagne, prosecco, or cava, the recipe is the same. In a pot, combine 250 milliliters of prosecco, 6 grams of agar, and 25 grams of sugar. Get the pot on medium heat and bring the mixture up to a boil for 1 to 2 minutes. Agar needs to boil in order to gel properly, so make sure it hits a rolling boil for at least a minute. Pull the mixture off the heat, and at this point I like to transfer it to a smaller bowl to prevent it from cooling down too quickly. Next, you'll need some gummy bear molds. I just got these on Amazon. They were really affordable and easy to find. And place these molds onto a sheet pan. This just makes them easier to move later. Then use a dropper, this one actually came with the molds, to stream the prosecco mixture into the little gummy bear cavities. Place the gummy bears in the fridge for 20 to 30 minutes until firm. Now I'm just going to repeat this whole process with the regular prosecco. So again, 250 milliliters of prosecco, 6 grams of agar agar, and 25 grams of sugar. Bring it all up to a boil for 1 to 2 minutes. Transfer to a small container and use a dropper to fill the gummy bear molds. While I'm doing that, I'd just like to take a minute to thank Living Gin for sponsoring today's video. By using their agar agar in this recipe, we're able to keep these gummy bears, which are traditionally full of gelatin, completely plant-based. If you're looking to replace gelatin in any of your recipes, or are wanting to try out these prosecco gummy bears, check out the link in the description box below for where you can purchase the Living Gin Agar Agar that I'm using here. There are also a bunch of recipes on their website as well as on their Instagram, both of which I'll also link to, and if you're feeling competitive and are interested in getting your recipes featured by them, they recently started holding monthly vegan recipe contests where people vote for their favorite recipe, so if you want to submit a recipe or you just want to go have a look at the submissions and vote, then definitely head over to their website. Once the gummy bears are set up, you can pop them out of the molds and serve. One thing to keep in mind is that the texture of these gummy bears is a little bit less chewy than gelatin-based gummies. What I found helps to get that texture is just to leave these out to dry a little bit overnight on a wire rack. Something about dehydrating them a bit gives them that really nice chewy gummy bear texture. Thanks again to Living Gin for sponsoring this video, and if you like this recipe and want to see more content like this, consider subscribing and feel free to connect with me elsewhere at chef.studio_.